Welcome to another exciting Christmas tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a felt Christmas tree. You're going to need your green felt sheets, a green thread, some scissors and little decorations, whether that's sequins or beads that you want to put on your Christmas tree. Let's make a start. So first things first, you're going to get your Christmas tree and cut out the shape that you desire. Mine looks like this. You're then going to put it on your felt and also cut that out. You'll need two pieces as we'll sew these together. Let's work on one piece. What I'm going to do is just add my beads and my sequences on wherever I feel they might look good. Now this bit does take a little bit of time to put together, but in the end it looks adorable. With the felt craft creations I'm making, I'll be hanging them up on my Christmas tree this year. I've picked red, green and some gold beads and yellow beads for my Christmas tree, but if you have a certain aesthetic theme, feel free to stick to that. I love how this is looking and it's done now, so we'll move on to the next part. We're now ready for the next part, so get your other green side and line these up two together. Make sure the edges match up, and now we're going to sew the sides together. I'm going to keep my stitching neat. Make sure you start from here and work across to the other side, because we want to leave the top half of our Christmas tree open so we can add our stuffing inside it. So now I'm at a point where I can put some stuffing inside my tree, so I'm going to grab that. You can use a pencil to help you get the stuffing in place so it's evenly balanced throughout. I'm just going to stitch a bit more after I've put some stuffing in at the bottom. So here I go again with my needle and thread. At this point I've sewn a lot more together, so I'm going to add more stuffing into the top of my Christmas tree, and I'm using my pencil to help. When you're happy with the stuffing, just sew a little bit more so we can add the ribbon at the top. This will allow us to hang this on our tree. At this point, get your ribbon. So I've got my cute little ribbon here, and I'm going to fold that in half. And you need to slide this in at the top of your felt Christmas tree. And then what I'll do is I'll sew the rest of my Christmas tree together with this ribbon in place. And when you're all done with the sides, we still need to add one little touch to our Christmas tree. And that is a gold little star at the top of the Christmas tree. I'm going to sew this in place, and it makes all the difference. When you're happy that it's secured in place, go ahead and tie a knot and secure your thread in place. My Christmas tree is now done and it looks so adorable. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and you'll be trying it out as well. Please do check out my other tutorial for a Christmas stocking. It's just as fun to make. And if you enjoy my tutorials, please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, it would mean so much to me. And for other fun crafts, please do check out my channel as well. I'll see you next time on my next tutorial.